Parejo. Sorry, but not sorry. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Selamat siang dari Vancouver teman-teman, apa kabarnya kalian semua? Semoga baik-baik aja dan pastinya kita back to the kitchen. Ada yang bisa nebak hari ini BNay mau masak apa? Easy ya, karena udah ada di title. Jadi hari ini itu tamu-tamunya semuanya dari Meksiko. Ting 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 ting. Mar. Oke, Alejandro itu kan pada tahu kan ya Alex. Nah adanya datang lagi mau berkunjung selama seminggu, namanya Rommel. Nah jadi mumpung nih para Oroscos lagi ada di Vancouver, jadi aku undang mereka untuk datang dan pastinya icip-icip masakan Indonesia. Untuk hidangan pembukanya aku bakal masakin Batagor karena aku baru sadar mereka tuh belum pernah nyobain. Jadi Alex itu kemarin sama Daniel nyobainnya siomay ya, bukan Batagor. Jadi makanya hari ini aku mutusin untuk masak Batagor. Oke guys, kita langsung masak aja dan stay tune ya. Let's go.
Halo teman-teman Mbak Mawar yang ada di Indonesia tercinta. Biar kabar konco-koncoku. Semoga selalu api-api ayo, jomblo tapi tetap bahagia. Sing penting duit-duit, ya tak? Oke teman-teman, hari ini Mbak Mawar akan berusaha sebaik-baiknya untuk menjelaskan resep gimana Mbak Mawar ini masak. Karena kata ibu protes kalau Mbak Mawar ini kok doyannya ngarol ngidul, yang ngomong sana sini, terus resepnya nggak dijelasin. Jadi kayaknya kesannya Mbak Mawar itu raiso masak, tapi kan kelihatan sebenarnya ada Pak di video ya teman-teman, dari editannya ibu yang wapi itu kelihatan toh Mbak Mawar iso masak. Ibu itu emang. Oke guys, jadi scene pertama itu kita siapin tuh iwak yo. Jadi untuk bikin Batagor ini Mbak Mawar makanya iwak tilapia, ngerti ora? Iku Mbak Mawar nggak tahu bahasa Indonesia apa, tapi nek kene iku jenenge tilapia. Nah, tilapia iki tak blender kanggo bawang putih terus sama es dingin yo, es dingin. Maksudnya Mbak Mawar es dingin atau es batu. Nah, kalau udah selesai di blender itu campurkan dengan tepung tapioka dan tepung terigu. Setelah itu pakaikan tahu. Kalau Mbak Mawar ini rahasianya teman-teman, selalu Mbak Mawar campurkan tahu, itu pasti hasilnya enak. Tambah sedikit daun bawang dan tinggal diaduk-aduk ya, jangan diobok-obok, soalnya bukan air. Aduh Mbak Mawar. Nah kalau wes selesai ya, terus kita potong-potong tahunya, terus kita isi. Untuk isinya Mbak Mawar itu pasti selalu ngekei isi sing wakeh tenan. Jadi biar tebel ngono loh, jadi puas banget nih. Jadi kalau tebel-tebel gitu kan enak, daripada kayak dompetmu itu yang isinya nggak enak, cuma seruk-seruk dari Alfamart yo kan. Jadi ya seenggaknya kalau Batagor Mbak Mawar itu tebel-tebel. Oke, selanjutnya kita akan bikin saus kacangnya ya. Jadi bumbunya itu basic banget teman-teman, pakai cabai rawit, berempang merah putih, sama cabai gede. Di blender terus digoreng. Dimasak dulu sampai dianya wes wangi-wangi enak, itu yang bikin hacim-hacim. Ya udah baru tambahin garam atau mungkin mau pakai lada. Terus Mbak Mawar biasanya tambahin daun jeruk. Nah kalau udah wangi nih, kayak teman-teman lihat tuh ya, saus kacangnya Mbak Mawar kental. Kenapa? Karena Mbak Mawar kayak kentang teman-teman. Jadi kalau pakai kentang itu teksturnya lebih kental saus kacangnya. Jadi biar nggak kayak pecah ngono ya. Kayak palm sugar, terus water, ya wes sama. Oh iya satu lagi pakai jeruk nipis biar asam-asam, dan pakai kecap. Pakai juga ya. Mas aduk, masak pakai api yang sangat pelan. Oke, selanjutnya yang pastinya digoreng teman-teman ya, karena kalau direbus jadinya siomay bukan Batagor. Nah sekarang saatnya untuk dipersiapkan sebelum dihidangkan, dan voila, Mbak Mawar akhirnya selesai. Dan ini adalah part untuk menyajikan Batagornya untuk teman-temannya ibu. Semoga mereka suka.
Ta-da! Yes!
Thank you.
And this is is for the husband.
Thank you.
And this is mine.
It looks really good. It looks
Looks
crunchy.
really good. It smells really good.
I hope
I'm
you guys are
excited. I'm
hungry.
excited. I'm nervous too.
Oh. Hi guys! Welcome back to BNay channel. Setelah 8 bulan gak nge-vlog, akhirnya we finally sit again at this table eating with our friends.
Feels very good.
It's good to be back. We survived.
Yeah. Kita ini kan member tetapnya BNay channel. But today we have a new guest.
Hello. My name is Rommel. I'm Alejandro's brother, and I'm excited to be here.
Yay.
I'm nervous.
You don't have to. Welcome, Rommel.
Thank you, thank you.
As you see in front of you, this is kind of a snacks food, and the name is Batagor.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
so Batagor is actually
Batagor.
abbreviation from baso tahu goreng. Means actually fried tofu or wonton with the peanut sauce on the top of it.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be crunchy, but you guys gonna prove it if it's crunchy or not. The specialty coming from the West Java. I don't have my map right now, sorry guys.
We'll just copy one from the internet and put it here.
So this is one of the most famous best 10 of favorite food for Indonesian.
It doesn't have shrimp, right?
No.
Okay. I won't die.
We don't know.
We'll see.
We'll
Exactly.
find out.
We'll see. Okay, I don't want to make you wait. Have a try, guys. So you have a lime on it. You can on the top, and I have a. Ini nggak promosi ya teman-teman, tapi cuman punya ini. So I have chili powder if you guys want it a little bit spicy. So enjoy. The people in Indonesia eating this for like mostly for lunch, or maybe for like after lunch snacks. Like you are hungry, but then you don't want to eat something heavy, so you eat this one.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Okay,
Let's try it.
try it.
My first time trying Indonesian food.
Yay, excited! I hope you like it, Romo.
I think I will. It smells really good.
Okay, I'm satisfied.
Very good. It's crunchy.
10 out of 10. Really nice.
Kami kasih poin teman-teman.
When she was cooking, I was smelling and I was like, oh, I wanna try it.
Right, but she was so strict and said nope. It's right later.
It's really good. I love the peanut sauce. And maybe try the chili.
Someone who said that he can eat too much spicy anymore. It's quite a lot of chili
God.
powder on his too.
Let's try it.
But it's not just super spicy, so I think it should be okay for Mexican.
Should be okay.
I'm actually pretty happy with the result.
It's really good.
Yeah, it is really nice. It's really good.
Yeah? You enjoy it?
How do you cook this?
You can, like the filling, you can make from everything. You can do it vegetarian, for example, using tofu. Or you can use like, I use seafood, so tilapia fish and mix with tofu. So it's basically you
You can eat fish, right? There's no shrimp.
you blend it.
Okay.
You blend the fish, and then you put a little bit like a tapioca flour and mix with the regular flour, and you mix it. And then in my case, I cut like a firm tofu a little bit, and I mix it as well. So I mix all together, put salt and pepper. When you mix tilapia, you put garlic in there, like crushed garlic, so they have flavor. And you can buy the wonton wrap and just put it, or like a fried tofu, like what you have it. So it's two different variety. One is tofu, and this one is actually with the wonton wrap.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the one with crunchy one. Yeah. Just filling it and then you fried it. Yeah. And peanut sauce, red onions, garlic, and peanuts, lime, and boiled potato. So they make it like sticky together. So like nice texture. Palm sugar. It's Indonesian palm sugar. To give a little bit like sweet flavor, and also like the sweet soy sauce.
Yeah, it has a lot of flavor. This sauce. I really like it.
That's nice.
Very tasty.
I'm happy you guys like it. It takes me only some hours. It's a lot of process to do that.
That's really
Yeah.
good.
No, because I did it from the scratch.
Yeah.
I still have 2 left. If you guys want it, the extra, then I can bring it to you.
Thank you, thank you. It's actually really good.
Yeah, actually, I'm really enjoying it too. Normally, if I cook, I don't really enjoy my cook.
Oh,
Like
why?
because I cook it, so I get tired of it. But this time, I kind of like, wow, okay, this is pretty good.
It's so good.
It happened to me because I used to work in a restaurant cooking, and then like you're smelling the food all the time
So
and
you
all the
get
time.
tired of it, yeah.
Exactly, you're not like as hungry.
Because you're smelling the food all the time.
Exactly. And that happened to me a lot of times. That's why I'm like, but this time I really like it. I still have 2 left. Anyone who wants it, I can bring it.
Rock, paper, scissors.
We'll eat it.
No paper, scissors.
Yeah, we're playing.
Because it's only 2.
Only 2 pieces,
Yeah.
so it's 4 of us.
Yes.
So
Okay.
we should
Split it in 4.
like disparejo.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
You compete against. I mean,
No, we
Okay.
do that.
How does it work?
So you do the disparejo.
Oh, yeah. So we either do this or that.
Okay, so
Whoever
the one
like-
who like by himself, then they are the winning one.
Whoever is different than the
Okay.
others.
That person is
get it.
winning.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
the
person
person
is winning.
different
Let's do it
is
like
winning.
that. Okay.
But only if one is different, right?
Only
yeah,
one.
and then like, do it again for the
If
other
it's
one.
like 2 and 2, you do again.
Yeah, only one.
Yeah,
right?
exactly,
Okay.
only one.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Disparejo.
Okay.
Disparejo.
Oh.
No, again. Disparejo.
Oh.
Okay, faster. Okay, faster. Disparejo. Oh, you got it. Okay, one more time.
Okay, you guys.
It's 2, so
It's 2.
disparejo. Disparejo.
Okay.
Sorry, but not sorry.
Sorry to not sorry. That's a good one. I can make more.
Yeah.
Enjoy. Oh, me and Alex is like.
Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Aku gorengnya nggak semuanya, jadi cuman di 3/4, jadi masih ada 1/4 tapi belum digoreng. Jadi ya itu deh, aku sama Alex cuman bisa gigit jari.
Oh, it's really good. Like especially the second one.
Definitely the best.
The taste of a winner. Look at him.
Yeah,
It
I'm
looks
really
yummy.
enjoying it. I'm really especially this one.
Oh my god.
Hello, teman-teman. I'm fluent in Indonesian now.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I really like this dish. What is the name again?
Batagor.
Batagor. It's the first time I tried, and it was an awesome experience. It was like very crunchy, and then in the middle, the softness. It was like a kind of a nugget, but like better, way better, like 1,000 times better. And I think the sour flavor of the lemon plus the spiciness that I add with this hot sauce that is also Indonesian, so it made it like the best experience. I would give it like a 9.99%. So it's really good. It's really good. Like the best combination with sweet, sour, crunchy, and softness. Bellissimo.
Bellissimo.
Okay, thank you.
Yay, good job.
You finish everything.
Yeah, everything. It was really good. I don't know what to say. I'm nervous. Okay, I gotta focus. So it was a really good dish. I really liked it. It was sweet, crunchy, salty, but like all in the perfect combination. My first time trying the Indonesian food, so it's really good. So I don't know what else to say. It's like I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Nice. And you like the spicy
Oh yeah,
chili
yeah.
as well, right?
Of course.
Yeah, with the spices is way better.
Yeah, okay. Nice. You guys mentioned it perfectly. Like it was a really good dish.
Me too.
Everything cleaned up, even around number 2. which only 2 of us got to eat.
The winner.
But no, it was really good. Everyone knows I'm a huge fan of the peanut sauce. I love the peanut sauce. And then in combination with the crunchy from the fried wonton skin and then also the softness of the tofu was a really good combination. And also the peanut sauce then with the spicy and also with the lime on top of it. It was really good. It was fresh, really good appetizer, I would say.
Yes.
I give it... It's hard to say. I think I will give it 10 out of 10 as well.
Wow.
Because it's an amazing appetizer. It has all the good combinations, the right balances. So
Are we good?
yeah, full points for me.
Or is it because your wife cooked it?
That as well. No, it's an honest review. It's honesty to nothing. I don't always give 10, so.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Okay guys, we just give our review. Now like my last question to my friends. How much are you willing to pay for this dish? And I'm gonna tell you later how much it costs in Indonesia. Like big portion, let's say double size from that one. This one was like a small portion drop, we'll say.
Double size?
Double size.
The ones that as well.
Yeah, just like a regular portion. This one was like snack portion.
I think for the time that it takes to make this and for the taste really good, I think like $10, 10 bucks.
Okay, nice. I'll be rich. How about you, Alex?
I would say about the same. Like if it's a big portion, yeah, obviously.
How about you, baby?
I would say like this one, only the single appetizer, I would even say maybe like $6 or so.
Okay.
And then like twice, maybe $11.99.
Not 11.99. Oh well, that's actually fair price. If you eat this in Indonesia, especially in Bandung, it's the capital of West Java, I think per portion it's approximately $1.50 to $4.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's quite cheap.
I really have to go to Indonesia.
We have to.
Yes.
We're gonna do it like Indonesian
I will eat
culinary.
this all the time in Indonesia. I know it takes a lot of time to cook this, but I'll eat it in less than 5 minutes.
I think if you're doing it like as a job, it's gonna be faster.
Yeah.
For me, because after 8 months, I never cook anymore, so it takes a while for me to prepare. But you know what? When it's long, but then people enjoy it, it's worth it. Yeah, that's totally worth it. So I'm happy, and you guys, thank you for watching. And again, another successful dish. I mean, yeah, Batagor never failed, right? And don't forget to subscribe, to like and subscribe, and share to your friends.
Yeah, subscribe, like that. All of the above and share.
Yeah, share.
All right, and
See you in the next
leave your
video.
comments. It was really good to be back. I think we all, we had a long break, but thank you teman-teman for selalu nonton video kami
Bener.
dan selalu support kami, channel kami.
Yeah.
We really appreciated all your support throughout all the time, and we're happy to be back. So
Yay!
see you next
See you in
time.
the next video.
Subscribe.
Bye-bye.